Hello everyone, this is Ugo and this is the Power Lead system. So I'm going to show you something called the Power Lead system. But before I do that, let me show you something even more exciting. I'm going to go here. This is my Power Lead system dashboard. I'm going to go to accounts, right? This is accounts, commission earned, okay, which takes me to this page here, okay. I'm going to click on total commission earned. All right, and here it shows you the different types of commission you can earn. Sorry, the products that are available in the Power Lead system. Okay, the $7 product, $29.97 per month product, $147 product. There's a $497 product, and there's a $1497 product. Okay, now I'm going to click on here. I'm going to scroll up all the way up to 2014, all right, and you can see my commissions: 20, 40, 40, 10, 60, 80, 150. I'm going to keep scrolling down. There's a 90 there, there's a 10 there, 40, 80, 10, 40, 40. I'm going to scroll down: 74, 26, 322, 44. We're 2015 now, and so on and so forth. So these are all the commissions I've been earning in the Power Lead system. All right, 2017, 2018, 2019, 106, 56, 30, 20, and even up to now 2020. 630, 2020, 14, 666. So the commissions are still coming in. Okay, for years and years and years, I've been using the Power Lead system and the commissions keep coming in. Okay, so what is the Power Lead system? It's basically a marketing system. It's a marketing system, right? Marketing systems are important because they do a number of things. They capture people's emails and they email people continuously, right? So most people don't want to know about your business. If you say join my business, people won't really join your business, will they now? If you say, hey, look, here is a tool you can use to build your business, they'll be interested. If you say, here's a tool that can be used to build any business, including yours, they'll be interested because people want a tool to build their business. They're not really that interested in joining your business. So I give away free copies of the Power Lead system. All right, there are free copies of the Power Lead system that you can give away, and you do that by showing people pages like these, lead capture pages. All right, lead capture pages like this. You give this away. This is all Power Lead system. All right, this is all Power Lead system. So you say to someone, I want to give you my list building website absolutely free. Right, they enter their email here, very important. You're not trying to sell them your business, your MLM or your program. You're just giving them a free tool to help them build their business. They want it. Okay, who doesn't want a tool to help them build their business? So they enter their email address here, and that's the key thing. That's where the magic starts. Once they enter their email, the magic starts. The Power Lead system does two incredible things. Right? It does two incredible things. Number one, it encourages them to use the products in the Power Lead system. It encourages them to use these products. So they will buy these products or they will upgrade to the different levels and you earn a commission. All right. As they use the tools in the Power Lead system and they upgrade, you start to earn commissions. Very, very important. The second thing the Power Lead system does, which is powerful, is that it will email them the link to your main program. It will email them the link to your business and encourage them to look at your business and join you in your business. All right. So let's say, for example, I promote Potion X, which makes you live forever. If I say to people, join my business and let's sell Potion X together, most people will not be interested. Most people already have their own business. But if I say to them, hey, look, use the Power Lead system to build your business, they'll be more interested. And then I can email them and say, oh, by the way, take a look at the Portion X business. And then they'll take a look at the Portion X business. So this Power Lead system is an icebreaker. It collects email addresses. It helps to email prospects about your business. Or rather, when you give it away, people who use it can use it to email their prospects about their business. And you can also get the Power Lead system to email them about your business. It takes a while to get your head around it. It took me a while, but it really, really works well. Anyway, there's a link next to this video. Click on the link, get into the Power Lead system, take a look at it, and use it to build your own business. This is Ugo, and I'll see you in my next video.